Hello everyone, welcome to SG Art Room. Okay, today I will show you a short video script how you're going to draw a cartoon portrait, and we also can call it as caricature. So now you can see the screen. This is a little girl with a simple black and white drawing. Okay, so you can see another sample. It's a lady. Okay, this is a very simple portrait and using the cartoon methods to draw. So you can see this is how we're going to draw all the simple portrait. Okay, this is a man with the simple body. Okay, this is all we call is a basic caricature drawing. Okay, so today I'm going to teach you how to draw a simple caricature face drawing. Okay, this is our reference. So you can see this is a man in the face, and okay, how we going to start? Okay, now from all the photo, we are not using the portrait method, but we use a simple feature of the portrait method to do, right? Okay, so how we going to start? We start from the capture the face. Okay, see how big you want to draw. So example, I want to draw something like, okay, over here. So I see the face shape is draw out a square on the top. How about the below? Below you can see is look like a triangle. Okay, this is only the pencil draft. Okay, and now we capture the eyes level. Okay, this is eyes level, and where's the nose? Nose is over here. Okay, so we all draw up a simple face. Okay, draw a circle, and this is eyebrow on top. Yeah, because now we are trying to draw a simple caricature we call cartoon portrait, so it's not exactly portrait, but we can take all the feature from the portrait, so we just draw it similar. Okay, the similar feature. Okay, and using the pencil draw out the draft. Okay, how about the mouth? Mouth is over here. Okay, so this is how we draw the mouth. Okay, so the face is I captured already. Now we draw over the face. Okay, so for the cartoon portrait, we can try to make it like you want make like a funny, humorous, or you want like the comic style also can, beside the portrait one. Okay, so now we try to draw the cute version. Okay. And draw the hair, simple. Finish the hair. Okay, then the ears, we know the ear is placed beside the face. Okay. Okay, so the simple face is coming up. As what we mentioned, we try to draw the cute one. So the body, we try to draw a smaller, but now because it's a basic lesson, I will show you to draw the half body only. Okay. Okay. So the draft is done, right? Okay. So now finish the pencil already. You can do the two options, like you continue you using the pencil to draw all the detail, or we can use a marker pen. Okay, the marker pen, you can follow the pencil to draw again overall. Okay, I can see we follow. So you use a marker, follow the pencil, trace it. Okay, finish, then we draw the face. Okay, now we draw the hair. For the hair, we just try to draw outline, make it simple. And now we draw the ear. Finish, then we can try to draw the simple version, black and white. Okay. Okay, so we can see. Okay, now draw some detail. Okay, so done. Just in few minutes, you can finish a simple cartoon portrait drawing. Let's say if you want to try to draw the shadow, try to draw the shadow. Okay, so the shadow we can use pencil, you can use crayon, also can. Okay, so this is a quick video clip lesson to teach you how we draw the cartoon portrait like that. Okay, if you're interested on our online lesson, can drop us a message to ask about the detail. Thanks, see you, bye.